Today, I'd like to speak about Mozambique's growing role in the global economy and its approach to trade. Mozambique, a nation rich in natural resources and strategic opportunities, has embraced free trade as a key driver of economic growth. This country has ratified the African Continental Free Trade Area, a landmark agreement aimed at eliminating trade barriers across the continent. This commitment reflects Mozambique's vision of becoming a central player in both regional and global markets. Exports form the backbone of Mozambique's economy. Aluminum, bronze, cashew nuts, and electricity are among its top products, shipped primarily to countries like India, the Netherlands, and South Africa. These exports highlight the country's potential in agriculture, fisheries, and energy. On the import side, Mozambique relies on machinery, vehicles, fuel, and textiles, with South Africa, China, and Portugal among its main suppliers. Foreign partnerships have been pivotal. The United States, France, and other nations are heavily invested in Mozambique's burgeoning natural gas sector, particularly the Rovuma Basin, which could transform the country into a global energy leader. Meanwhile, agreements like the African Growth and Opportunity Act with the US and the European Union Everything But Arms initiative offer duty-free access to key markets, fostering economic growth and diversification. In conclusion, Mozambique's journey in the global economy exemplifies the power of free trade and strategic partnerships. With its rich resources and growing connections, the nation is poised to play a significant role in shaping Africa's economic future.